It's a difficult terrain for somebody who wants to do it for the first time. Unless they are little used to some sort of hiking, this is not going to be so easy. This is my advice to people who want to try Upper Wolli Falls.
So behind me is the Upper Falls. We have been able to now have a glimpse of this wonderful nature's craft. Oh, this is it. This is the fall. And every step we climbed up, we could witness the best of the views from the topmost point. Here you can see the complete size of the waterfall, both Upper and Lower Wolli, which is the tallest in West Africa. It looks like we have probably reached the highest point of this hiking. The measurement is reading 1130 meters, not bad for an amateur group. As we continuously climbed up, we were not sure of the distance to cover and wanted to wait for the guide. Reach the junction point of the Upper Falls. We'll have to decide after reaching there whether we will again trek down to the Upper Falls or we'll have to head back to the village. We still had to hike down a long way down the cliff to reach a junction point from where we would commence our descent, and the terrain was horrendous. Yeah. And this is Francis for you. Yeah. The hiking specialist from Wolli Agumazzo Falls. The terrain has been pretty hard and we have so far done 1200 meters. We are now waiting for the tourist guide to get us some water before we would move further. We actually ran out of water. So this is the last leg of descent. Not sure how far we are going to have this terrain, yet we have not given up and somehow made it till this place. Pretty rocky, a lot of boulders, huge stones here and there, some off trail track, dry leaves. It's a mix of a terrain. Francis,
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And this is our hiking guide, Francis. Francis,
yeah.
What you saying?
Yeah.
We did well. So we have finally made it to the base camp of Wolli Waterfalls. The waterfalls is just 10 meters away from here. We had an exciting time. It's a test to your endurance. What do you say?
Absolutely. Real endurance test.
There were moments where we literally suffered, but we decided not to give up. And this little boy was helping me all the way, and the team was determined. In between, I met some other hikers. They also encouraged us. So the whole terrain taught us a lot of things. How to withstand the pressure, how to maintain your endurance level, and last but not least, we ran out of water and we didn't have water for at least an hour or two, and we had to struggle, but we survived. And then our hiking guide was kind enough to go down to the base camp and then bring some bottles of water.
An unique experience for me. I learned many things. Descending was very challenging and very interesting. So I love it. I would like to come again, and I want to see upper hike.
Awesome. We are now off to the Wolli Agumazzo Falls, or the Lower Falls. Supposed to be the tallest or the highest waterfall of Ghana. This is going to be an exciting time here. The path is again rugged. at the end, when we look back, we felt like we have accomplished a mission, and that gave a great level of satisfaction to us. We are almost reaching the base camp or the Willie Falls office. Welcome once again to the Willie Falls. With me is Wisdom, a very renowned hiking guide. So he will speak to you now.
Okay.
Wisdom?
Yeah.
Kasa.
Thank you. Yeah, guys out there looking. Nice to speak to you. We are a tour guide working at the Willie Waterfalls over here, and we take people on the mountains, not Willie alone, but if you want to go to the upper falls, we take you on the top of the mountain, which you can see wow, or where you see wow. Yesterday, my big papa was there. It was not easy. How was the hiking?
Oh, that was tough, but we have made it.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
So you do any camping or
Camping
anything
also,
activities?
yeah, anywhere, anything, and we take a big walk also from the top of the highest mountain, Afajato, through to Togo communities.
Okay.
Then we end the tour at the Willie Falls.
Okay.
We'll go to the upper falls and come. It's like 1 day or 2 days, 3 days.
So
tour.
if it is 2 days, you have to
Yeah.
stay at the top.
Yeah, we have to stay at the small communities.
So basically, he is saying that there is an opportunity or an option for you to even camp at the top of the mountains.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Wisdom.
Yeah.
I will put your number in the screen now.
Thank you.
Okay. So if anybody wants to contact you, he can reach you directly.
Thank you so much.
Get your WhatsApp phone immediately.
I will. Thank you.
Thank
God
you,
bless
guys. Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
Bye.